Nice shot, Paige.
Thanks, Erlenmeyer. Can you tee another one up for me?
No problem. And now let's learn how to levitate a ping pong ball using the science of air pressure. Air pressure. Air molecules are moving from high pressure to low. Air pressure.
If the pressure gets big, then the wind will blow.
That's right. Air moves from high pressure to low pressure. The air blown through the straw moves faster than the surrounding air. That means a zone of low pressure directly above the straw, and the air surrounding is high pressure. Since air moves from high pressure to low, the air on the outside pushes in, keeping the ball in the column of air. Maeve, could we see some little arrows or lines or something pushing inwards? Actually, could you make them blue? Add a few more of them? Maybe change the color. You get the idea.
Take two. Tips for success. Place your ball directly over the hole of your straw before you blow. Also, take your biggest breath before you blow, and finally, take lots of breaks between tries. You don't want to get lightheaded. Here I go. Hey, Erlenmeyer, want to do that one more time, this time with a blindfold, and I'll be spinning on one leg while I hit the ball?
That's ridiculous. I would never put myself or others in harm's way, even in the name of science. All of this was just pretend. Except the science of air pressure, that is.